And talking about India, here auto market has continuously attracted MNCs. Global auto majors are here. Now they are replanning for their India winning. Stellantis is one such automaker. It's preparing for a fresh onslaught on Indian market. Its brand Citroën is also to launch a new hatchback next month. What are the plans of the auto major for Indian market and how it plans to handle challenges? To talk all that and much more, today we are joined by Roland. He's CEO Stellantis India, and his first of all the question is, how optimistic are you about Indian market and why?
We can foresee the Indian market becoming one of the top 5 markets in the world. We are talking a current market around 3.2 million. We believe that the market could grow up to 5 million by 2030, eventually before, meaning that the Indian market will be one of the top 5. And this, for this reason, but there are many other reasons, the Indian market is a strategical market for Stellantis in India.
And what's your plans for India? You're bringing a new car, Citroën C3, but what are the other plans for Indian markets? How bullish are you about India?
Profitability, when we talk about such country as India, which is actually a continent, needs some key learning. The first one is having or achieving a rate of localization which is quite high, which is the case with the new C3, as the rate of localization is going to be higher than 95%. Why? Is because Stellantis in India has invested so far more than 1 billion euro to develop this footprint. When we speak about footprint, we are talking about 3 factories. One in Tiruvallur, where the smart car has been developed and the new C3 will be manufactured, but as well one in Hosur.
What's on EV space? It's clearly a buzz no one wants to miss. And what are your EV plans then for the electric vehicle space?
Our CEO, Carlos Tavares, has recently announced the launch of the EC3, beginning of 2023. So this will be the first car of the Stellantis group in India to start with. And at the same time, you know, we felt and the Indian government as willing to develop the electrification of the cars. The production link incentive has been implemented. We applied, meaning applying means that we are committed to invest and to sell electric versions for both brands and the next years.
Well, thanks, Roland, for this conversation this morning, and thank you very much for joining us. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.